I'm Jake from Curry's PC World. Our stores have now reopened across the UK safely and with social distancing. And our awesome team are back ready to help with purchases, returns, repairs, and buying advice. Inside our stores, we've got thousands of products on display, and our team would be more than happy to demonstrate the features. We've added lots of new measures to keep you safe. Help us to stay safe by following the signs and staying at least 2 meters away from customers or other colleagues. We're limiting the number of people in our stores at any one time, so there might be a short wait. Once you're inside, please help yourself to the antibacterial gel by the entrance or more throughout the store. Please avoid touching products, and please use card or contactless payment where possible. By the way, you can still order online and use our drive-through collection service. And most importantly, please don't visit our stores or use our drive-through collection service if you or anyone in your household is displaying COVID-19 symptoms. Thank you and stay safe.